Man, why is the sriracha so hot?
Hey guys, welcome back to the onkrew.
What the heck? What kind of challenge are we doing today, Mila?
Boozled spicy version.
Spicy version?
I think Daddy will look like this guy.
I think you're gonna look like that guy. Watch.
I will.
We got the fiery 5 challenge of the different spices. So the flavors are sriracha, jalapeno, cayenne, habanero, and the Carolina Reaper. Well, that's gonna be spicy.
So
you ready?
The bar.
What? So, alright.
No.
We're all gonna try the flavors. And whoever spits it out gets whipped cream.
I'd rather get whipped cream.
I'd rather get whipped cream too.
Tila and Mila can't handle spice that much. So it's up to Mom and Dad. Whoever spits it out.
I want
It's this one right here.
Is it?
No.
Sriracha.
Sriracha? Which one?
Wait, is it this one?
Is it the light one, right?
This is the light one. This is the light one.
No, that's the habanero.
Oh.
It says,
This one.
yeah, no, it's this one.
Oh.
The red one. The light red one. Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I don't think you
Mom,
should.
you got one?
Yeah.
I don't think you
Okay.
should. Wait.
Yeah.
No. Look at that.
No, it's the red one.
Oh, look at that.
That's the spice. Here, then take this one. Mila's making there's a like a flake in there.
Guys, we're Vietnamese, but me and Tila, we're not really Vietnamese that much.
No, what are you guys? Americanized Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you guys ready? Ready to do this?
No, it's not this one.
Yeah, it is. Ready?
I think
I'm scared.
I'm gonna get this ready.
Mila has a juice ready. Ready? Get set. Go. Oh man. Why is the sriracha so hot?
I told you it's not the sriracha.
Oh my god. Ah.
Your eyes are gone. Give me ice cream.
I think Mom's gonna win because she can handle spice. It's spicy, huh?
No. Not yet.
Oh my god. Oh. Next. You guys give up?
Wait, how come I didn't get any whipped cream?
Okay, I need ice cream too. Hold on.
Why is it hot?
Why is it so spicy? Oh my god. My stomach feels it now too. Oh my god.
Ew.
You want to split this in half?
You got diarrhea?
Here, Mom, you get a full one. Why?
I don't think I can do this challenge.
I know.
That was not sriracha.
That was this one.
No. Oh, maybe, huh? Hold on.
Here, Mila.
I give up.
I give up too.
Ah, let's do it. Are you not spicy?
No.
She got the she jinxed it. I can't.
She got the ching 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 ching.
Ready?
Yeah?
Oh, there you go. We're gonna survive out there. I might need the ice cream, okay? Ready? Here go.
Ew, I smell it in your breath.
Okay, this one's not that bad. I can't even talk right.
The sriracha.
You spit? You spit?
Ew, I smell your green breath.
Oh my god. It's coming. You can put whipped cream on me if you want. I didn't even do that bad on you. No, I'm not gonna slick your fingers, you sicko. Alright. Alright. Next one. Hold on. This one, right? I might have to give up on this one, guys.
Ủa, mà cái cuối cùng là cái nào? This one is the last one.
Carolina Reaper.
I think I ate that one. Yeah, it's that one. Yeah, I ate the wrong one. That's why it's so spicy. I'm gonna reverse, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still
That's not
Ready?
okay.
Give me strength, Tila. Give me strength. Hold my hand. Hold my Oh, you already ate it? Oh. Yeah. Hey, I eat like this. This is better. Okay, not too bad. Okay, since I ate the Carolina Reaper earlier, can I eat the sriracha last? Okay, ready? Hold my hand. I'm scared. You would eat it? Pico, shut up! Hey! Hey! No! I'm trying to eat this hot jelly wing. I'm concentrating and got.
Look at what?
How are you surviving? You just gave up already?
Yeah.
I can lift the table right now. Yeah. I don't care. Okay. Can I try the sriracha?
No, you have to try the last one.
No, I already tried it.
No!
Which one is it?
I told you it was this one.
This one. This one. No. That's how spicy it.
This one.
It's on your shirt!
Why is it white? Why is stuff on my shirt? Ready? Did you eat it? You just ate it?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yes.
It just tastes like sriracha.
Ew.
No.
Oh!
Okay, guys. That's it for our challenge.
I win.
Mommy win. Come here, Mila.
Go get your wife.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Subscribe. Peace out. Bye. Mommy eat ice cream.